She was absolute wonderful person. She was dying. I used to go up to the hospital twice a day, and one day, as we walked through the door, I could see she was taking more or less the last breath. And she would always say, when I got there, "Fred, I love you." It's excuse me. It was such a lovely feeling, but she could only just move her mouth just very slowly. And I knew what I had to do. I put my hand onto her. I said, "You can go now." And she stopped breathing instantly, 2:08. So I knew where she went, and I know I would meet her again. She was a wonderful lady. After Dorothy had died, the bereavement left me vulnerable to viruses, and it took the voice, it took the hearing, and it took particularly the swallowing. And I was advised that the food I was taking was too dangerous to eat. There's a fear that I could choke on them. I would need soft foods. When I started to prepare my own meals, I found that I got to have all the pots and pans and the liquidizer, and because of the walking problem, how long I could stand up, it meant a lot of inconvenience. And then when I found Wiltshire Farm Foods, they had exactly what I needed. I enjoy it. At the same time, it is the food that suits my condition. All the favourite ones: beef stew, salmon supreme. Love it to have salmon without any bones in. I'm not going into a home. Oh no, I've lived here with so many wonderful memories, and if it's going to cause all that trouble, why not have the Wiltshire Farm Foods? It's so much easier. It gives me a lot of freedom. I never worry about what I haven't got. I look upon all the wonderful things that's happened during my life, and I think I've had my share, really.